Good morning, everybody. Myself, Shubhendu Banerjee. I represent the Fortinet technology in East. So today we will take you to the Fortinet security solutions. In the Fortinet, we are in this market more than 25 years and mainly focusing on the strengthening the two core things of the network, that is the secure networking, convergence of security and the networking. Because we see security and networking, when it comes together, it gives you the complete security for any cybersecurity solutions. Now, as we are the market leader across all security strategies, starting from the secure networking, then we move to the SD-WAN, then the IT, OT security. The OT security are the most common and very focused area for the industry-wise, where the OT. Then you move to the fastest, we are moving to the fastest growing, the SASE. SASE for the secure access service, where whether your users are on-prem, they are hybrid, they are roaming around, wherever, you need to ensure the uniform security across the platform. Your user data, it can be on-prem, it can be on a cloud, whatever it is. And lastly, when all the security solutions comes, the things come on the SecOps, because end of the day, multiple point of solution that generates some logs and the security event. So sub-security analyst that needs to do the analysis of the logs, and it has to be on a single platform. If we look at the market, we lead on the three different pillars, starting from the secure networking. We start from the firewall, then the LAN, and the wireless LAN. So all is connected, converge into the one single OS, that is the FortiOS. That's why we call the secure networking. Moving towards the SD-WAN kind of solutions, which is the buzzwords today, and from the SD-WAN to secure service edge to the cloud security. That falls under the universe SASE, and of course, all the platform that we are offering today are backed by the AI-driven security operation, whether it is the FortiGuard. FortiGuard is our threat intelligence service that gives the threat intel, all the solutions that we offered from the Fortinet, and also the for your SOC team as well. Now, talking about the secure networking, we consolidate almost all the segment, which is from the access layer, that is switch, from the access point, your SD-WAN, 5G extension, then the security like the firewall, SSL certification, anti-malware, IPS, all you need in your data center on any corporate network, the security, we converge it into the one single OS, that is the FortiOS, which is the heart of our offering solution. The benefit is, as it is offered a single platform on a single OS, so it is a simplified operation, the lower TCO, and the better security posture, because in one OS you can manage your secure LAN access, you can manage your wireless, you can manage your security as well. So the better optimization and the managing point of view from the IT team is better, because it is a one single platform, you click. Now, going ahead, once you start with the 𝐂𝐸𝐹W, which is our proprietary ASIC-based solution, then to the LAN, which I say the secure networking, because our switches and OS, everything is managed by the one single OS. From the LAN, we can move to the SD-WAN solution, where the multiple branches, they need to connect it securely to your DC. It can be on a cloud, it can be on any network. A carrier can be agnostic, it can be a MPLS, it can be on the internet, anything, the secure connection. Then from the SD-WAN, now the focus shifted to the SASE, secure access service edge. In the SD-WAN, we mostly talk about the secured branch connectivity towards the DC or the prim, and in the SASE, we talk about the secure connectivity for the end users. End users can be the hybrid, on-prem, and on the cloud. Now, on top of that, we adding on the universal ZTNA, that is also on a single platform to measure it. So the most deployed SD-WAN solution, which is a FortiOS, again I say the most reliable, because it is a single OS which gives you the functionality of NGFW, and the SD-WAN is not a added solution or not on adding any software layer. It is a native solution, native offering from the Fortinet solution. And the most thing is affordable, there is the ASIC, only the ASIC driven SD-WAN that's today Fortinet offered. And the simplified management, because it is all coming on one single OS, so the Forti manager, the Forti central orchestration platform. For that single platform, you can manage your firewall, which is on-prem. It can be on cloud. You can manage your secure lineage, everything from the one management platform. The best value, there is almost 170 for the unified SASE, 170 plus cloud location, including in India. For the SASE offering, we do have our India POP presence here, especially for the government organization. Easy to adapt, as I say, the single OS across the all solutions, it's starting from the firewall, SD-WAN, and SASE. Single platform, so manageability is the same. The GUI interface for the administrator is also the same. So this is how the journey. First, when we started on the 2000, it is only the stateful firewall. Then moving towards on the 2025, we converge everything, from firewall to UTM, then the NGFW, SSL offloading, sandbox OT, everything on the ZTNA, SD-WAN, and on the security. The Fortinet, again, we are the only leader across the multiple segments, like in the hybrid mesh firewall as per the third-party industry recognition. Now, Gartner is the worldwide recognized third-party recognition for the technology segment. So, on the hybrid mesh firewall, on the SD-WAN, wired and wireless, and even today on the SASE platform. Going ahead on the, as I said, this for the secure networking and the secure edge, and as starting when we say, because today is the OT is also on the focus, the same firewall and the same thing we do cover on the OT segmentation also. By the same, that means for the, when you talk about the convergence of the IT and OT on the today industry 4.0, industry is moving towards, then you require the, earlier the OT network and the operational networks are legacy network. It was the year gap network, but today is the meet. Today every OT network, at some point of time, you need to give a connectivity to the IT, but at the same time, you need to secure your OT segments. So for that also, we offer the firewall, and it is the same firewall, same OS, only the add-on license will be required to be added. Just manageability point of view, it is the same. We offer the maximum OT visibility signature. When we talk about the OT firewall, the IT and OT networks are totally different, because IT, they works on a different protocol, and when we talk about the operational technology, it offers a different protocol. That's the backnet, DNP, Modbus. We do understand all those protocol, and we have the maximum numbers of the signature available as on today for the OT. Again, we emphasize on the Forti OS, which is a single OS platform that converts everything on all. Sorry. So the OT security, as we said, today we are the only company on the leader for the OT security on today. And with the open ecosystem, when we talk about, till now we talk about our solution, there is the one OS, we manage our secure networking, your switches, your access, your SASE, and everything. At the same time, we are open to work on the third-party vendors also, because we understand in the heterogeneous network, in the organization, there are many other solutions which need to be worked on tandem. So we open up with the Fabric connector, with, as you can see, most of the industry leading OEMs we can collaborate with in terms of the open API fabrics or the DevOps connectors. So now all these network security solutions and all, end of the day, it requires a consolidation of the logs and all the SecOps, right? Because end of the, every security equipment, it could be it from the Fortinet, be it from the everywhere. You need to collect the logs, you need to analyze the security event and so that. So this is our SecOps platform where we offer the SIEM, and so we don't only offer the SIEM, which is the next generation SIM, which can be heterogeneous, more than 300 plus more OEM we can integrate over there, and this is the backed by the AI driven. At the also same time, we offer SOAR also. It is our own homegrown solution for the security automation. Once the logs are collected, those are parts, incident are analyzed and correlated. Next part comes to the action. What to do with these logs? Then you require automation. So here comes the Forti SOAR also with you. And all these solutions is backed by the FortiGuard, which is our threat intelligence services, which on the only threat intel platform which gives the intel to our entire portfolio offering, starting from our firewall to switches, our SecOps, SIEM, web application security platform, and all. Now, as of talk, we talk about only the solution. We don't only tell the customer to the solution. We also strengthen them by the training them. We have our own training institute, starting from which focuses all the technology today we offer in the market that gives our customer partner helps strengthen their technological knowledge so that they can better do with the solutions they have offered. So this is just a idea to give a third party leading organization collaboration. We are collaborate with the MITRE, with to name with some NATO and FBI. So that gives our strength on the global wide. And with that, thank you.